Hello Neblio community. Today I will show you how you can use the NTP1 tokens for the purpose the car as a service. Because most of the cars are very expensive, and especially the electric cars, so most of the people cannot afford it. But if it will be paid, for example, per each 100 kilometers or something like that, it will be much more easy to bring this new technology to most of the people and remove the busting engines car, which is not so good for our planet. Yeah. So let me show you how. The Neblio has the specific functionalities and NTP1 tokens, which is some sub-currency under the Neblio. Yeah, and anyone can issue it. So for this purpose, I issued the CAR-T token, which has some maximum supply. It's issued by me, and the purpose is provide car as a service, tokens per driven kilometers or miles. So for example, we can or any automotive company can use it, but for example we can talk about a Tesla, because I think they are quite innovative and they can use it because it should be a good model for them. So you will buy a car for very small amount of money, which can afford most of us, and then you will buy tokens per each 100 kilometers or 1000 kilometers, doesn't care now. And for the purposes, we will use these car tokens. So I will show you how it works in the practice. So at first I will need to transfer some of these tokens to my local wallet. Okay, so I will add some address. I will get some amount, for example, the 100 of these tokens. No metadata needed. Okay, and confirm. Okay, I sent the 100 tokens, and on my local wallet we will see it within the while, see the transactions going. Okay, we can see then there is not too much news, but okay, still waiting. Oh. Okay, confirmation email came, and you can see the unconfirmed balance is one. It's in here. So within the while we will have in here the token. Okay, but during that I will show you, because there's still waiting for some confirmation, but it will be within the while, and I will show you how to use it from code. For this purpose, I decided to rewrite write some wrapper around the Qt RPC commands. It's a lots of commands which you can use for this is it. This is the commands what you can use to communicate with the local wallet. It's based on the Qt wallet, which is used by Bitcoin. So it's most of these commands are the same. Yeah. Because I don't want to write every it's already here. Yeah, car token. You can see it. It's confirmed. I don't want to write each command separately, so I decide to use one of my architecture in C#, which I'm using usually for MQTT, but it fits for this purpose too. So I designed some RPC local command, which is async and unasync, and there is some Qt wallet RPC class, which is some kind of controller. It's a little similar like the controllers for HTTP or similar technologies, and you can implement the command per command. Yeah, there is free functions for multiple parameter request, one parameter request, and 0 parameter request, and I will also refactor it because it can be written much more nicer, but it will take me some time. So for this example, I think it's enough. Now it implements a few commands. One of most important is send NTP1 to address, which is a multiple parameter request. And how does it work? I have some simple tester. My colleague wrote it. It's a very cool thing because it has a console and you can prepare some commands and test it. And when you turn it off, it will remember all commands. So even if it crash, it will restart, and I don't need to rewrite all of these commands. And on one line, I have this RPC local command, send NTP1 to address, to some address, doesn't care. One token, car T token, is the name of the token what we created, and user data is Tesla car as a service fee with some Tesla unique hash of this car and new 100 kilometer reach. Okay, let's try. Wow, cool! It's sent and it's so very fast. I like it, and. I send it to this few seconds. It's not confirmed, but it will be confirmed very fast. You can see that the time when I clicked it was already transferred, so it's amazing speed here. But the confirmation will wait for a while. Now I received some email about the confirmation to have a transaction. Now it should be probably confirmed, and we can not yet, still pending for confirmation, so wait a while. And we will see still unconfirmed, but maybe it will be already. No, not yet. Some of you had to confirm this transaction, but we will wait. Because if you will send it per each 100 kilometers, it doesn't care if it confirmation will take maybe a few seconds or up to 1 minute, because you don't send it every time. For example, the same model we are using in PLF tokens, not just for licensing, but for example for sending the product data. For example, from one factory like Tier 1, which is supplier to OEM, for example, to Tesla, and they deliver the parts to them. And they can send that their product 1 to 3, which is some unique number, finished with the status NOK or with the status OK. And the same principle we are using for licensing our PL framework software. So I think it's a pretty cool technology, and it can save you lots of time of programming. Okay, now it's confirmed, and we can see that someone sent one car token with this information about this Tesla with some serial number, drove 100 kilometer reached. So the Tesla car as a service fee was sent, and Tesla know that someone used their car for driving the 100 kilometers, and they paid back to Tesla with this token. So that's probably all for this day, and I will work on this wrapper, and I hope I will publish it soon, because I think it can help lots of programmers, because it will wrap the gRPC communication, so it's much easier, because you will just call this process request, generate some unique ID for this transaction, add some command, which is available on the Qt API or RPC API, and adding some parameters. The parameters is split automatically, so you can use this function and just separate it with this comma. I don't know what's the vocabulary, doesn't care, but it should be much more simplified. Even the Neblio as itself is very simple to use. And also with my colleague we did the new wrapper around the Neblio API, which is compatible now with It's very long code, but it's supported under or written under the .NET Core 5.0, which is available on Linux, on Mac OS, so it's multi-platform. So it will be much easier to write your application, because you will write just one application, and then you can easily publish it to different platform. Yeah. So we just select this, next. Folder, next, okay, and specific target. Okay, I have to finish, and then I can use it as a portable or to Win, OS X, Linux, and also Linux ARM. So you can build it for most of the platforms or make it like a portable. Okay, so I think it's everything for today. So have a fun, and I will send this software as soon as possible. But give me a few days, because it's a lot of commands and I have to test it. Yeah. So have a nice day. Bye bye.